Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a brand new Harris 2023. This is the cruiser model. This is a 23-foot tri-tube, so it does have the 3 tubes. This one in particular, we got the nice docking lights up here. We've got the sterling silver with a black accent up in this way. And this is kind of their new matte finish, so very smooth finish. Looks really, really nice. We got the 12-foot bimini up there with the black to match. And as we come to the back, we got the nice ski tow bar back here. This particular model is called the SL, so single lounger layout. And with that, we did add the chains that go all the way across. So when you are underway, you can sit here legally as the boat is moving. So, and we also have the nice fender holders right here. This particular one we did equip with the Mercury 4-stroke 150 horse engine. So plenty of power for tubing, skiing, a little bit of everything for the family. Let's go to the interior and take a look at the rest of the options. All right, welcome to the interior. Like I said, this is a single lounger SL layout. We're gonna start here at the bow. So because it's a 23, you've got tons of seating around here and here. All of the seats are on hinges, so it's really nice and easy just to pull this up, get what you need out of here. It's all got drains in it, so if you ever get water in there, it will drain out. One of my favorite features is the recessed cup holders, and then you also have some USBs right here, so you can plug in, keep those phones nice and charged. We got the flooring that matches everything, so it's a lighter gray that we have on the flooring. The interior is called a French gray with a little bit of a darker gray accent on it. Up at the helm here, we've got the nice seat here. It's got the armrests that pull up and down. It does adjust here and it does adjust forward and back. We got the nice sports steering wheel. We got the nice gauges. We got some redundant switches here. And then this one has an upgraded stereo. So it's got the JL head unit and then 2 extra speakers from the standard. So the 2 extra speakers actually go in the back of the pontoon. Again, SL layout. So you've got some nice seating around here. Somebody can sit back that way. There's some storage underneath there. There's storage underneath this seat as well. Now, obviously, I can sit here and I can sit forward as we're going. This does move, so you can sit backwards. And like I mentioned before, as long as you have that chain there, you can sit back facing aft as the boat is moving, which makes it legal here. We've got some storage underneath this seat right here that lifts up just like this. And then underneath that other seat on the other side is an integrated cooler. So you can put some ice in there, put your drinks in there, be good for the rest of the day. This is a Harris 230 Cruiser. This has got the SL layout. This boat just came in. It is ready to be looked at. So give us a call if you want to set up an appointment or just stop on by our Rogers location. It'll be here as long as it's before it's sold. So come on in as soon as you can. Thanks.